Hi and welcome back. Again, just a short video on the improvements you can make to this processing code, multiprocessing code. Instead of using the multiprocessing module, you could just use the concurrent futures module. And you can import a process pool executor. Same thing as a thread pool executor, only it creates processes instead, and the actual process is going to be exactly the same. So we're going to delete these two, and these two here, and we're going to say, with process pool executor, max workers is going to be 2 because we have two things we want to run as pool.submit complex calculation. And then we're going to duplicate that, and that's it. Okay, just a little bit simpler code. If you want your pool to stay alive throughout your entire program and maybe, submit a task, get a result back, and bring the process back into your pool of processes so that you can reuse it, you can do that with a process pool executor. All you have to do is not use with. Instead, define it as a variable, and then you can submit tasks to it and wait for them to finish. And the process will go back into the pool so that you can reuse it. So if you have a larger application, it could be interesting to create a few processes at the start so that you don't have to constantly be creating new processes, because that can take a few milliseconds. So that's just a potential performance improvement. Nothing you have to worry about for now. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you a bit about how to use this process pool executor, because again, it's a very popular thing when you're doing multi-threaded code. Suddenly you encounter that, you have to do two things at once because they both need the CPU. What you'll normally do in multi-threaded code in that case is you will then submit a task that requires the CPU over to a process pool executor so that it can run in a separate core and then bring back the result. Okay, so using process pool executors is actually quite common in multi-threaded code when you need to do that in two cores. Not so common to run complex multi-core applications in Python because it's just not that good for it. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.